You know that feeling? When your stomach twists, your heart races, and your brain screams, just go with your gut? Well, guess what? Your gut is a terrible decision maker. In fact, trusting it might be the reason you're stuck in the same job, relationship, or bad habit. But don't worry, today, I'm handing you a science-backed cheat code to outsmart your instincts. And no, it's not another cringy vision board. Let's be real, we've all been sold the same lie. Trust your intuition, your gut knows best. But here's the ugly truth. Your gut is a drama queen. It's biased, emotional, and obsessed with shortcuts. Think about it. When was the last time your gut told you to eat a salad? Exactly. It's too busy begging for dopamine hits and reheated pizza. And yet, we let this glorified hunger pang steer our careers, relationships, and futures. Why? Because nobody taught you there's a better way. Here's why your gut fails you. First, confirmation bias. Your gut cherry-picks memories that back up what you want to believe. Like that time you trusted your instincts and invested in Dogecoin because your cousin's friend's roommate made bank. Spoiler, he didn't. Second, survivorship bias. You only see the winners, the Steve Jobs, the Beyoncés, and think, they followed their guts. I should too. But you don't see the millions who crashed and burned. Third, fear. Your gut would rather you stay miserable than risk failure, so it whispers, play it safe, stay small, eat the pizza. So what's the fix? Ditch the gut. Steal this CIA-approved tactic called the Pre-Mortem. Here's how it works. Before making any decision, pretend it's a year from now, and your choice failed catastrophically. Your job? Play detective. Ask, why did this crash and burn? Did you ignore red flags? Overestimate your skills? Let FOMO blind you? By reverse engineering failure, you force your brain to spot traps your gut would have missed. Let's break it down. Step 1. Write your decision at the top of a page. Quit my job. Move to Bali. Start a side hustle. Step 2. Imagine it's a year later and everything went wrong. Journal the disaster. I'm broke. My business flopped. My Instagram is just sad sunset pics. Step 3. Ask, what caused this? Be brutal. I didn't research the market. I ignored my savings. I romanticized hustle culture. Step 4. Use those flaws to build a bulletproof plan. Now you're not deciding, you're debugging. Say you're debating freelancing. Your gut screams, do it, freedom, beach laptops. But the pre-mortem? It's the friend who says, cool, now let's burn this fantasy to the ground. Why did you fail? Clients ghosted me. I didn't save enough. I hated self-promotion. Fix it. Save 6 months of rent. Pitch 10 clients per week. Hire a coach for sales scripts. Boom. Now you're not hoping. You're armored. Your gut is a compass. From the dollar store. It's time to upgrade. The next time you're stuck, grab a notebook and murder your decision before it murders you. And if you're thinking, but this takes effort, yeah, it does, but so does failing. Your choice. So, are you going to keep letting your gut run your life like a bad Netflix algorithm? Or are you ready to think? Hit subscribe. Let's get to work.